What's up guys, how's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we are unboxing and testing out the PLAUD Note voice recorder. This is an AI smart voice recorder with not only unlimited storage, unlimited cloud storage, but also high-end security for all of your files, AI transcription, up to 300 free minutes of transcription per month, and so much more. We're going to get into this. This is great for students, journalists, professionals, and content creators alike. Before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the box. We can go ahead and open it up on this side, and we can tell that this is the gold, kind of rose gold maybe version. It's a really nice coloration. It is different than the other ones I've tried. Let me go ahead and open this up and see what it's like. So we have welcome to PLAUD Note in a bunch of different languages. And a reminder, this does support 112 different languages, so you can transcribe from any language in here. It's really great. And this is basically a quick start guide on how to find the PLAUD app in the App Store, how to turn on your device with a short press, and how to connect it in the app. So yeah, it'll tell you how to start recording, how to switch your recording mode. Everything you'll need is in this welcome packet here. And then we do have a safety and warranty guide as well. So if you take a look at the box here, you're going to notice that this is extremely small. So this is a whopping 0.117 inches thick. So if I pull this out, look how thin that is. And that's with the plastic covering. If I open this up here, this is insane. Let me see if I can line it up. Yeah, it's, whoa, insanely thin. So this device is really small, discreet, and just snaps to the back of your device. And I'm a huge fan of this actually. So I'm gonna grab some footage actually. This is the PLAUD Note, but that's how thin it is. That is insanely thin. It almost looks like it's actually part of the packaging here, but that's just how thin this device is. It's really cool. Let's take a look at the other side. So we have PLAUD AI voice recorder there. Very nice. And it has a charging port there as well, because it actually has a special magnetic charging cable, which is really cool. I'll show you that in a second. And if we flip it back over, we can see up here we have our dual engine. You can switch between whether it's in phone call mode, whether it's recording, whether it's in phone call mode, however you want to set it up. And now let's go ahead and look at what else is in the box. We do have our charging cable here, and this is not a standard USB-C charging cable. It is C on one side, but the other side is actually a set of pins. And we can simply grab our device and snap it right on. You see, I didn't take any effort to get that there. It wants to get there because of those magnets. So you just plug that in and plug this into any USB-C charger, and it's going to get the job done. Now you might be thinking, okay, so it has a case and everything, but how does it charge when it's in the case? Not to worry. It even has a little charging port here, so that even when it's in the case, which by the way, this is a very nice case. It does add a bit of, if any, a slight bit of depth to it. Like maybe it doubles the profile, but it is a really nice fitting leather case. And this is necessary to snap it to your phone because it has the MagSafe magnet and adapter and everything in the back. But with that little port on the bottom, you can simply snap it right on, even with the case. So very cool. Now it's in its case. Let me go ahead and get some video footage of that as well. So this is the case they provide. It's a very nice looking case. Very sleek looking device overall, honestly. And then they do give us a MagSafe adapter, so you can simply, if your phone case doesn't have a MagSafe like mine does, all you need to do is drop this on, remove the 3M tape obviously, and place it on whatever case you want, and then you have a MagSafe phone. And that's how it snaps onto your phone, very easily. Very low profile, which is very cool. And once you actually get it attached and connected to the app, this thing is so cool. I'm actually going to start recording and turn it on and show you the output of what it does, because not only does it do the AI transcriptions as well as summarizations with ChatGPT, but you also have 13 summary templates. So if it's like a lecture or a meeting, or you're doing like show notes or something, whatever happens to be, there's a template there so you can choose it and it'll give you the best output on the back end. And it also makes visual mind maps of the conversation as well, talking about the different topics and the items related to it, which I thought was a really interesting feature. In terms of tech specs, this should give you 30 hours of continuous recording and up to 60 days of standby time. It has 1.5 megabit per second audio with a dual pickup engine and a 10-meter range. And once you're done, you can export your audio directly to your computer in every popular format, and you can even export the text and visual maps and everything in PDFs or documents or whatever kind of format you want them in. So if you don't want to use the cloud offerings, you can definitely keep that secure on your own machine as well. Alright, so basically I forgot to hit record, so I took a little break and had PLAUD Note record a video from animal conservationist Mayahiga. And I had it record the entire YouTube video of her visit at wolf conservation, not sanctuary, but I guess recovery. And I had it record a video of her trip to New York and a wolf conservation center. So I'm going to go ahead and show some of the footage of the transcript that it came up with. So you can see here it shows everything she talked about, which is cool. And then once it's actually recorded, we get a full summary here of the overview of what the video was about, the travel experience, including, the $20 calzone that she indulged in, all the way to the conservation efforts and activities, the educational and breeding programs, the Mexican gray wolf health check, and accompanying information for all of them, which is really nice. But the really cool thing is if you go over to the right side here, we actually get a mind map, a visual map of all of the information that it pulled from that transcript. This can be super useful. So yeah, definitely check out the PLAUD Note. I'll put a link to this in the description below, and thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a good one. Peace.
Digital guru with a modern day voodoo. The dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect.